What the hell? Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wait for it. Woo! Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's alright. How you doing, guys? I'm a little bright. I'm a little bright. Let me fix that. There you go. Now it's better. I can't do any much. I can't do much thing about my face, but at least the lightning, lighting, brightness, words. That's all right. All right, guys. Let me put some music back. Voila. Come on, Bob. You're so mean. And I just removed my headphones. Hang on. Whoop. Et voila. How you doing, guys? How are you doing today? I want to try to do something today, guys. So I'm going to start with the presentation because I forgot to do that last time. So how about we do it right now? So Stray Mage is saying Furious Coding Session is better than porn. Ooh. Better than Furious Porn Session. Oh, I see Zombido in the background. Shh, don't tell anybody. So we got Anima, Ben Titilaura, Cat Boob, Serial Killer, and a punch in the face by Fire Swords 82. 11 months and still fighting. Thank you very much, my friend. Welcome back. Long time no see, Latch. Punch! Somebody! DP Blue Sea out of power! Dominus, Grand Gris, Code Angel, Larkland, look at you, my nipples are leaking. Kojak DSL, Fire One up here, Emily! Canadian Princess rules, eh? Vank, Vanatosis is saying for the, never mind. Ursabot, the Grim Reaper, Switzer, Super Mario World, hey man, how you doing? Stray Mage, Stimpy, Spear, Shumega, Schmaltron, Scott Florence, Abrup, Newsvad, yeah, Newsvad, Mr. Scottish, Mekgochi, Mandor, Lemon Le HD, Kimono Reaper, not Raper, right? I will be wrong. K, and also Skutada, Ivy Cat, Homeboy, I Mank, Fox Moore, Fire Shard, Turtle Soup, and Eric Jean. What's up? I don't have the RPG installed, but I'm currently playing Zombido. Sweet, man. Sweet. Yeah, the RPG, if I had some time to do something for it. So many projects. Okay, guys, what I want to do today. What I want to do is to assert my dominance over my coder dominance to show who's the alpha coder around here at Berserk. So what I wanted to try, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it, but hey, let's do an impossible, let's try to make ourselves an impossible goal to reach and just like stick with it and try to do it, alright? So what I want to do is within 2 hours or 3 hours, well, during the time of this stream actually, I want to try to get as far as possible for the battery system in Zombido. Alright? We're gonna do that. So if I'm able to finish the freaking battery, like in a single session of a stream, I'm gonna show that to Kojak and say, hey man, look who's the man! Look who's the boy! So I'm gonna try to do that. Like, most likely, let's be realistic, most likely it's not gonna be like, ready, ship, and go. There's a lot of stuff to be done, but, you know, Not with that attitude, Latch. Let's try to do it. By the way, is my voice okay? I feel like I'm screaming. Like I'm way more energetic this time than last week. I had sleep! Yay! So, without further ado, let me shut my face and open the arcane. Voila. And also, let me open a little bit of porn in the background. I want to go to E. I want to go to Kick the Critter. So the first thing I want to do is to make a mock-up of the visuals of the interface. And to do so, I thought about something. I believe I have a battery in Kick the Critter. I believe there's a battery in there somewhere that I used to do the donation here. Aha! Look at that. Okay, so I don't know how I could do that. It's probably not gonna fit, like, not at all. But I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's just jump right into it and try shit up. And let's go. So there we go. No, not Zombial. Mock-up. Battery. So I might not be super present, guys, today. I'm gonna be like Super Furious Coding Session Power Turbo Alpha Premium Edition. Rigged for pleasure. That's what I'm gonna try to do today, alright? So stick with me. I might not be as present as usual, but it's for your own good. Papa is doing that for your own good. Papa, listen to Papa. Okay, so I got that. Okay, what about this? Nope, okay. So I want to go check it out. Okay, so we have enough space under all of that for the battery. Now I have one big concern. Am I going to do like one battery to rule them all? Okay, one battery here that powers all of them, or one underneath each of one. So I think I'm gonna make like only one battery over here. I think that's gonna be the best. So let's do that. La 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 la. Hello? By the way, guys, yesterday I just bought a Switch with the Zelda Breath of the Wild. But since I am loyal as fuck, as a Stark, I will probably, most likely, just wait for my brother, because this one is an open world. Zelda Breath of the Wild is an open world, and the open world, usually what I do is I do it with my brother. And I'm going to Germany with my bro, visiting my sister. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy a Switch, and then I'm gonna play with him. So I'm gonna wait for him to start the game. So that's how loyal I am. I'm gonna wait for him, and that's a huge statement. And also, guys, I'm trying so much to have a SNES Classic. It's very hard to hear. Chris Jeff Games, oh my god, Chris Jeff Games. It's been forever, man. How you been? Last time we saw each other, I believe it was on not GDC, but like the Flash Games Summit, FGS, like in 2012 or something like that. Oh man, it's been a while. I'm a big boy now. I'm taller than before. How you doing, man? Okay, back to work-ish. Probably gonna have to do something like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do like something very simple like this. There's one more thing I want to check out though. Art. Website, XSplits, intro, notifications, stream feed, donation, there we go. I believe it's this. I'll hit you in private, we need to catch up. Ooh, ooh, that sounds sexy. Me and you, Chris. La 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 I'm gonna try something. Battery. It doesn't look like nah, fuck it. La 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 Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna say battery view. La 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 la. It's a bit annoying, Latch. Please stop. Okay, so I'm gonna do a battery or a Durahell. Or wow. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna say this. Yeah, fuck it. I'm just gonna do this for now, because I want to code it and then we'll polish it up afterwards. La 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 girl. Oh, look at that. Okay, I thought I had like a battery view. Okay, I can see Emily cringe a lot right now. I can hear her. Ouch! Damn it! Chris Jeff! We're officially friends! We officially have punched me in the face! Per protocol! Per Canadian protocol, you punched me in the face! Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend. Chris, Jeff. Okay, Chris, what are you working on these days? Have you been working on some new games? I miss the games, like the games, the Flash game with the square. Fuck, I missed the name. I was addicted to that game. Was that game? I freaking made a YouTube video about your face. Please help me out. I don't remember. Space is Key. Voila, Space is Key. Are you still working on that? We're still probably not making Flash games anymore, right? Because Flash is dead. I'm working on a super secret console at the moment. The hype is real, man. Oh man, that's freaking cool. Nice. Chris Jeff is one of the fellow Flash Daves that worked on Newgrounds in the Armor game. I believe you were more an Armor game than the other places. I believe so. Correct me if I'm wrong. But the fact is, he's a fellow Flash developers that had to get back on his knees when Flash got a huge strike in the face by a little device called Apple. La 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 la. Okay, voila. This goes there, voila. And the rest is all the same, so now I'm just gonna do something like... Okay, so I'm gonna do like another one like this. Pop, pop. Oh no, I'm gonna make it come from the right, this one. But I need to name it first. Lychee Lich. Voila, so battery MC. Boop, 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 boop. Point, 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 point. Ba, 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 ba. Mwah, that's beautiful. Okay. Compile. Let's try it out. I love that song, Legend Friends. Yeah, the Dark Souls 1. Man, I can't believe I finished all the Dark Souls. I can't believe that. Hey, Maker's Images, how you doing, man? Steve Jobs tried to kill our career, man. Insert dramatic joke there. Look who's laughing now. Well. Well. I can't wait to see what's your super secret console Alpha Turbo Premium Edition, Chris Jeff, man. No, cannot be null. Boo. The hell happened? La 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 la. That might be why. Some vital bin flash exported. Voila. Have you seen my? Have you seen our? Oh yeah. Okay. Have you seen our tools, by the way, Chris Jeff? Because I never left Flash. Actually, well, I'm still using Animate CC, which is not. Well, I'm still using the animation tool, but no longer making. Well, Zombido is the last Flash game we probably gonna make. Especially since Adobe officially said, yeah, Flash is gonna be dead in 3 years. Shouldn't you give more space between the cell and the timer? One thing at a time, my friend. Right now I want to efficiently make the damn thing, especially... there you go. The hell. Okay, so that didn't work out well. Okay, probably because it's on a layer or something. No. Oh yeah, I know why. Didn't I use another one? Oh yeah, that's why. What the? Okay, yeah. I get it now. I just closed the damn UI. Okay. I'm fine waiting for confirmation and feedback from client on some design to get started. Coding this massive system. Sweet. Sitting here in my dorm room. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Lots of pressure coming from Just Shapes and Beats to finish that damn game. Lots and lots of pressure in there. But it's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. It's a good pressure. Okay, so time. I'm gonna say like that. Ring! Dardanos! He's the man! He's the man! Dardanos! Okay, so do I have, thank you for the punch, my friend. 22 months in a row, man. A petite, right in the face. A petite. Okay, so do I have a lightning icon somewhere? I don't know, but I'm gonna make one really uglyly. La 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 la. So now, guys, now is the time for you to laugh at my drawing skills. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Laugh at my skills. Okay, so a lightning goes like whoop whoop whoop. Where is it? It just disappeared. Okay, cool. Can you fill that up? La 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 la. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. It's like the best lightning bolt ever. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna put that there. Put. And at least, oh, come on. At least I'm gonna make it this color, and this will be like orange. Ah, dang it! I suck so much at color picking. Color picking ain't my thing. Whoa! 3. Hang on. That's a bit better already. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Ah, that is so beautiful. La 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 la. Mwah! Mwah! You know, you don't see perfection all the time, but here, my friend, I can recognize perfection when I see it, and this is not combined shape, convert light into fills. Alright, voila. La 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 la. Well, at least at this distance, it looks a little bit better. At this distance, it's a bit better. Okay, so I just had to go to do this. Here's your laughter. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that? Ha ha ha! Nice. The number of lighting can represent the level of the battery. That's a cool thing, though. I'm probably gonna make it like this for now because it's not infinite, you know. So if I can make like something like this to say level 4, I'm fucked afterwards, you know. There's like only 4 level. But I like having the level thing. Although I don't know how we're gonna make it level up though. La 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 ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba ba ba. As the level increase, make the bolts go uglier. Damn! I can do that. The last level will be my face. Oh my god, it's the quintessence of ugliness. It's Latch's face. Hey, how about making a mine where you can assign monster to mine a green goo that can be used as fuel for the battery? Cool idea, man. Cool idea. I like it. We will have to make more thoughts into this, like especially on all the little details. But yeah, we do have something we wanted to do actually for like little quests. Like you have a mine. There's already a place in hell actually for that. UI Arcane. But that's not what we had in mind. We had more like something like a quest, like okay, send a bunch of people there and get a chance to have an item or orbs or diamonds or stuff like that, you know. So yeah. Main menu panel. Is it where it is? Okay, so main menu panel. Content. Okay, so that's in content, like this. So that's where I'm gonna say get movie clip, battery, MC. Resolution manager, stick down. Let's try that out. Why not put the battery in top left? There's a good empty spot there. Ah, come on. I don't know what's happening with the tools. Boo! I believe this was Indrawsome. You did punch me in the face, though. It didn't work. Indrawsome! Thank you very much for the punch, my friend. Okay, so that works. It's ugly as fuck, but meh. For now, meh. Where's the scrolling bar? There ain't no scrolling bar, baby. Where the fuck is it? Let me check. Ah, okay, that's why. La 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 Okay, not sure if it's gonna work, but let's try it out. Oh, fuck. I broke the things! Content MC, and what was the name of the other one? I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. Will there be a battery for every slot in the Forge or just one? Right now I'm gonna code only one, because otherwise it will look weird to have a battery like on all of them. But if you want to change that, at least I'll be able to do it. Let me see actually. So where's the battery? No, because if I do it per cards, if I do it per cards, I'm gonna have to make it a little bit lower. Something like this. I kind of like this though. I like having a battery per thingy. We'll see. We'll see. What do you think best, guys? What do you think? What would you think is the best? La la la, para 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 la la, la la la, para 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 para. Because I can lower that that visuals over there. I'd like to get into coding in any way. But I have no idea where to start. All my previous attempts made me give up out of frustration. Start with something simple. I know that's a very cliche to say, but start with Unity or Game Maker and make Pong. Just try to fucking make Pong and try. One thing to help motivation at start is try to impress your friend. But just try to make inside jokes with your friend. Unless you have no friends, try with your family then. If you have no family, try to impress your neighbors. No, for real though, try to just make your friends laugh, and you're gonna get addicted to that feeling of people laughing because of something you've created. So people saying like, hey man, that's pretty cool, with a big smile on their face, you're gonna get addicted to that. At least I was, you know. That's exactly what I did, and what I think is one of the reasons why I started game development. One of the first game I did. One of the first game, like technically one of the first game I did that in exchange of a burrito in 3 hours. And I'm not kidding, that's real. I was with my roommate and we were like, oh, I'm hungry. Yeah, there's nothing in the fridge, blah, blah, blah. And then we just argued on who should pay dinner. And I said, I want to make you a game if you buy me a burrito. And he was like, all right, deal. So I made this. Yeah. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Ah! When a guy dies, he swear in Quebecer French, you know? With a very bad mic. So I did that like in 3 hours. There's combos and shit. And also there's a little Easter egg. If you are good enough, the guy actually dies. Ah. So I made that in 3 hours. Of course, I had I went in college and everything. There you go. Here's the link if you want to try it out. I went to college for 3 years and 2 years at university. So I probably had like 2-3 years of experience, of coding experience, not in games, but just coding, like coding charts and boring stuff for the government. But still, I had some background, but the point stays. I made that for my roommate, and he laughed, we had a great time, and I had a free burrito. And voila, but that made me start another project, and then another one, and then another one, and then you end up burping. Let me put music back. Yeah, I stole Circus from Atari. Exactly, Tom Sawyer. Actually, a more accurate will be Clown 64. A more accurate... Yeah, shut up. This game
One
here.
One genre of game I haven't devoted a lot of time...
Fuck off. Okay, so that game here. That's a game I played on the Commodore 64 a long time ago. And I just made exactly that game, you know. So I think it was also named Circus. Circus on Atari. Let me check actually. Circus Atari game. Is it like the same? Ah, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Those graphics. Mwah! Mwah! But yeah, I played this Commodore 64 version. Okay, yes, gotta go there. Look at that Durahell! Wait, did I forget to... Resolution manager, stick down. You're going to TwitchCon this year, friend? Yes, I am. Will you, my friend? Then you end up with 50 burritos. Yep. Okay, it's ugly, but it works. Okay. I'm really considering putting it right over there, actually. I think it makes more sense. Yeah, fuck it. You know what? Fuck it. La 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 la. Map. Okay, but for now, I'm just gonna jump in and try to code. Okay, so we need a View battery, or say View Arcane Craft battery. View Arcane Craft battery. And that's the point, guys, where I'm gonna be super full focused and just try to finish that up ASAP. View base. Voila. So I get a base over there. What do I have in that battery thingy? There, battery, there. Name. So I got a name, and next I have this thing over there, time left. Like this, and last is that thing, progress meter thingy. So get movie clip, progress, yeah, like this. Hello? Okay. So now I'm gonna say like name text Durahell. Well, you know what? I'm gonna plug the text factory right away. So Durahell. Okay. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. La la la. Whoa. Just need this actually. La 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 la. Durahell. Probably not gonna need to translate that though. Yeah. Get text. Also, I'm gonna put that into refresh. Refresh. Come on. Refresh. Time left equal. Now that's where I'm gonna need a meta battery. I'm gonna create a new meta battery, which will be a meta battery. Like this. Yay. Now meta battery is this. Here I'm just gonna say please create a constructor. Now I'm gonna go back here and say get time left str. 1 hour 26 minutes and 12 seconds, whatever. Progress meter. I probably already have something for progress MC view progress bar. Now, I'm not sure if it's gonna be that thing here. Visual MC. Okay, so I need to put the visual MC right. That thing here. Is that it? Yeah, okay. Okay, so I need the HP bar of that. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is a HP bar that comes from here. Progress MC. No, progress. View. Progress bar. That's gonna be like this. View progress bar screen is screen. P visual is HP bar thingy like this. And this will be the percentage will be at 0 for now because lol. Refresh over there, and also percentage is equal to meta battery get percentage like this. Alright, so that's now the battery should have something time charge. Let's just put time charge for now is equal to 0, and now here I'm gonna say like add no, actually, I'm gonna say like time started charging. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And here I'm gonna say like add the time, and I'm just gonna say mod is an int. I wanna put numbers because numbers and date is not doing pretty well. So like this, yeah. I'm not sure if I can do the meta duration thingy. You wanna say plus equal mod? I'm just gonna do something really quick here and say like meta duration from server time. Let's just check it out here and say this. Voilà. Boop. Okay, save data, time started secure. Oh, okay, so I have all that shit already. Okay, cool. Good then. Alright, so there we go, and then I'll say like encode the code. Here I'll say meta duration, encode, save data will be there. Yeah, like this, and finally, hello? Okay, finally this will go there. Decode that shit over there. Okay, so I have a meta battery. I got this duration from server time, so it's gonna look through the server time, and so that's that. But I'm probably gonna have to do something. I'm gonna say like it's actually minus, yeah, because I'm gonna say it's been adding before that. Okay, so there we go. Get storm time left, and I'm gonna say get duration left. No, it says left, but it should not be left. Ah, okay, yeah. If I have to put that, okay, cool. So time elapsed since construction. Okay. Do I have the same thing, but MS short? Is a string. La 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 la. Okay, and the percentage will be what? I actually don't know. Get duration is only one minus the other. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna say usually I have like 2 hours. So I'm gonna say like okay. Public function get battery max life. And here I'm just gonna say 1 second multiply by 60 multiply by 60. So that'll be 1 hour. Is that it? 1 second, 60 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Well. So it's probably not gonna be that because the get battery life. Yeah, actually. So that's the battery life. And here is that time over there. Okay, so that should be good. So I got a meta battery done. Get out. Here I get meta battery over there. Okay, meta battery thingy over there. Good. And now that's, I'm gonna say Tick. La la la. Function tick. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Voila. Tick. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Did I do this thing? Yes, I did. Or do I forgot to create it? So screen is screen, and this is battery MC. Straight up. La 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 la. So Lasha, how much did you do in meta battery? Not much actually. Like Kojak, at the beginning of the stream, I said I have to assert my dominance and show to the rest of the team who's the alpha coder in here. So I made myself a little goal. I have to make the battery within this stream. That's a little goal against myself. Okay, so time left here says it doesn't exist, or meta battery doesn't exist, actually. That's probably why. Okay, meta game progress. Meta arcane. Okay, I'm just gonna do that for now. I'm not gonna even save it because I don't know where I should put that. No, I don't want to file target. You know, meta battery. Meta battery! No! Alright, there we go. So for now, I'm just gonna say this. Here I'm gonna say meta. Meta battery is equal meta game progress instance meta arcane progress meta battery. Boom! I get a headache when I look at code. Luckily, I'm a server engineer. I don't have to deal with that shit. Nice. What is this Flash or Unity magic you're going in, dude? Spill the beans. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. That's a little engine, a little tool we coded to ourselves. Basically, what you do. Let me drop the sound a bit. Basically, what you do is you take the Swift, you drag it over there, just drag it, boop, like this. And what you have is you can export XML, you can export texture, and you can export texture packer. I'm gonna show you all of that shit. So I have ZI Arcane UI, which is my Arcane UI over there. Boop. Hello. Okay. So here in my library, I have sorted everything. I got symbols, I got texture, so what do I need to be exported as a texture, so as a PNG? Oh, yeah, I don't see it. Hang on. There we go. So here I have the texture, I got a symbol, so I name everything properly. I have some tools to help me out on naming that and creating all that shit. But basically, here it says this has to be exported as PNGs individually. Alright? So then when I do that, afterwards I go into that, I export the XML. So the XML, what it does, it creates an XML of all the animation, which it says like, okay, the symbol here on frame 1 to 6, I have this thing over there with that texture, with this, that. So basically, it just recreate what a Swift does. It says this texture has to be there with the color transform, with the tint, the transform, the alpha, blah, 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 blah. So all the animation has been exported. And then next is the HD thing. So if I just click over there, it's just gonna do, I'm gonna show you when it's gonna be done, voila. So if I go to the output folder, right over there, I can see all the individual PNGs done right over there. And finally, TP is for texture packer. So what texture packer does is it takes the all those texture, create a sprite sheet with it, and export it at the right place. So if I go here, voila, I just set up my texture packer shit over there. I say export the shit right over there at this folder, blah 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 blah. So with this tool here, I can actually just tell texture packer, hey, execute that and export it. So it export all that shit over there. So what I end up with is something called starting over there. I have model FLA, so I have all the XML. Well, first I got the XML. So I got all the XML like this. When I compile on RN in debug, I create the assets. So I serialize already the XML into asset, into pre-serialized assets, so I don't need to reparse them at runtime. I do that. And then I also have texture packer assets here. So texture packer actually send an XML with this texture is at this place on the sprite sheet, blah 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 blah. So it all do that automatically, and I have the sprite sheet over there afterwards. So then in Flash, what I have is something called starting animation. So for example, my UI Arcane. My UI Arcane over here that I have over here contains all the information and blah blah blah. So I say, okay, this is inside the FLA, that thing over there. This will preload the model assets and the XML, the animations and all that shit. And it will just fetch the texture and apply it on the screen. And then I just recreate all that shit. So basically, what you see in the end, the actual result does not use vectors at all. There's no vector in Zombidle. It's all in PNGs. So, but then we can export in HD for mobile. We can export it in SD or HD for desktop. And I can use that in Unity as well. I actually use the same thing in Unity for just shapes and beats. So we all do our animations in Animate, and then we export that. So then we are platform independent. If I want to code it up in Unreal Engine, well, I just have to recode my renderer over there, and voila. So it's a bunch of weeks, and it's working. We actually made, well, I'm not going to say we. Kojak actually coded the thing in HTML5 with OpenFL as well, and it worked perfectly. We had a little prototype with a shit ton of little knights coming out and everything. So yeah, now I can use Animate to animate all my stuff, and then use Flash, not use Flash, but use my engine to import everything. So everything here that you see, it looks Flash, but it's running at 60 FPS and it's using your hardware. Your hardware. Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, 9 days, 4 hours. Okay. We got something. We got something going on. I thought you were potentially something using the SWF vectors. That's neat. Thanks, man. Good workflow. SWF is fucking fantastic for storing shit anyway. Still love them. Yeah, right? I still love them as well. I like it. I like it. Well, I like the, you know, I like this animation software. I freaking love Animate CC. Fun fact, did you know that BoJack Horseman is animated in Animate CC? The more you know. Okay, I got refresh time. I got to put it on. We got percentage here. Wow. We're hooked on Spine 2D at the moment. Oh, nice. Is it good? Is it nice? Same-ish workflow, but Spine spits out JSON. Okay. And 2D rig for us. Okay, cool. I heard it was kind of a pain animating in that though. Like every layer has to be exactly the same. Like one texture per layer, and you cannot have like movie clips inside of movie clips and shit like that. Is it true, or am I completely wrong? La 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 la. So meta battery, you know what? I'm gonna code it there actually. So here, meta battery, meta duration thingy over there. Ba-da-ba-ba. Time started is equal to var d date. You know what? No, better not. Public function debug create dummy. Voyons voici. It's gonna be like given battery. That will be a static function. So var result is a meta battery is equal to a new meta battery. The meta duration and time started. I'm gonna say d date is equal to a new date, and then this will be equal to this. No. Is it time? Yeah, time minus. There you go. 5 minutes. Well. Actually, no. Set debug time. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Meta battery, voila, boom. Look at the art animator already using the Bast, is a flash animator too, and says it's not awfully different. Okay, Jim also is using it a lot. Ah, sweet. Ah, yeah, move. Famous 86. How's joining the battle? Thank you very much for the punch. Thank you very much for the punch in the face, my friend. Okay, so I got that done, although it's still not really working. Does that work? La 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 la. Let me check. There's a lot of people talking to me on Skip. La 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 la. Okay, so that works. Okay. Now, why the fuck is it 4 days something? What the hell is it? No. No. What did I do? Ah! Bravo, Raj. When Bob depends on his alarm clock to wake him up and destroy buildings, he puts his trust in Durahell battery. He puts his trust in Durahell battery. Durahell. Yay! 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Blue, 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 blue. The percentage is doing weird, but that's because metal battery here. No. Menu okay, not the shit over there. Metal battery, boom. Okay, so B Shoemaker! Enjoy the battle! And you punch in the face. Thank you very much, man, for the punch. Dude, how lots of punches in the face already today. We're up to 86 subscribers. Thank you very much, man. Thank you so much. Okay, so I got percentage, but I think I need to go to percentage. That's why. Voila. That's why. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back in a second. I just need to replenish my water because I'm super thirsty. I'm gonna be right back, and you know what? What I'm gonna do? A little giveaway! Mad Boy 90, thank you very much for the follow. Boom. Chat auto add. There you go. So you should be able to say anything, and your name will appear right over there. And I'm gonna do a 25 diamonds. All right. So your face will appear right over there. Just say anything in the chat. Just spam that chat. Now it's your turn to shine. It's your turn to say something in the chat. Let your voice heard or your keyboard written. Just gonna go get some water. I'll be right back, and then I'm gonna push that button. Well, I'll be back. All right. Stay right there. $98 people! And I'm not gonna wait, I'm just gonna push the button right away. Appetige, appetige, appetige. Ba-da-ba-da-da, there's no sound. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. 100 people! We made it! Konnichiwa, to friends. Hey, go to Frank. Wow, wow, la 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 la, wow. Wherever he goes! Every Goals is our winner. Congratulations, my friend. 25 diamonds coming your way by the one and only Lartlan, the Diamonds Lord, the Diamond Supreme Overlord, Lartlan. Okay, there we go. So I got 8 minutes, and that looks cool, actually. I only have this not done properly, so... Okay, so that doesn't work. Get percentage. Get, okay, battery life. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ah! Fuck. Leeuwarden! I'll join the battle! Thank you very much, my friend. Ouch! You been on the one. Lordland can be my lord any day. Lefege has joined the battle! Thank you very much. Can you turn down the volume right? I can't do such thing. Which volume is too loud? Is it my mic? Is it the punch in the face? What is too loud? Please let me know. Okay, so get duration left. Duration, time elapsed since construction. So that should be like a minus something? No? Oh! Oh! Stupid latch is stupid, that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do not result, but G to Romolo! Thank you very much, man, for the punch in the face. Sorry. Incoming punch in the face. Okay, duration left in MS. Var result is actually duration left in MS divided by get battery life. And that's probably the opposite, so 1 minus that. Can you do something about extremely long loading time? Can you elaborate on this a little bit? What is your platform? When does it happen? Because it's not something that I just go, oh yeah, I forgot, yeah, boop, now it's done, you know? It sounds like I'm being a smartass, but it's just like, it's very hard to pinpoint a loading time here and there. Okay, so I got 5 minutes. Good. And I think I have something here in the debug shortcut. Like fake pause. Nice. Okay, so that's 5 hour. Did I push 5 hour? Yes, I pushed 5 hour. Yay! Cool. Okay. Now if I go back to metal battery over there, I'm gonna say that's time left, but it's not time left actually. It's time packed. I'm gonna say charge. Okay, so I got time charge. And now the view arcane will say, I don't know what you're talking about. So, no, not pack. Hello? Okay. Charge. Voila. One. Da da da. Da 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 da. Okay, so that's percentage, I want to say percentage charge. Okay. Okay. Get charge time in MS, which will be a result of meta duration like this. And if result is higher than get battery max life, return, well, this is equal to get battery max life, and then return the result. Well. So that should be that. Okay, currently I refresh the page on Kong and it is loading for 2-3 minutes. Is it loading at the like the very first screen when it says percentage loading up to 100%? If so, that's your internet connection, or that's Kongregate having a hard time pushing you the file. If it's after that, if it's somewhere in the game, then we have to check it out. Okay, 1 hour. Yay! So maximum is 1 hour. Get battery life. That's the 1 hour thing. So I'm gonna put like 4 hour just to test once again. Yes, percentage until 100%. My Steam can download 2 meg per second, so it's not my internet speed. Okay, but so then it's Kongregate speed then. It's probably the server speed. Because the only code over there is just waiting for the website to push you the data. So it's out of our hand, unfortunately. I hate to say that. I hate when I'm hopeless, not hopeless, when I'm useless. Not useless, but when it's out of my hand, like, I hate that. I cannot help you on this one, but this is because the web page is trying to send you the data and there's something wrong in there. So it might be just the website that is slow for now. Not your internet speed, but the website. It's about 30 seconds to reload on Zombido.com. Zombido.com is our thing, though, so it's our website and everything, so that we can check out with the web server on our side. So if that's the same everywhere, I'm gonna check it out. But it's like a 50 megabyte file, 50 meg up. I don't know how big it is now, but it's pretty big. If you don't want to need loading time, go download the Steam version, actually. Check it, put it up on your desktop and you won't have that loading time anymore. Problem solved. Boom. Boom. Yay! Okay. Okay, so I got the Durahell working. Now one thing I want to try. Okay, I want to attach the battery on each individual card because that will be way easier to do. I just realized that we're gonna save so much time by doing that. So I'm just gonna delete that and I'm gonna put it there. I want to play Breath of the Wild. Okay, la 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 la. Oh, okay. Isn't that part? Okay, so we manually put all that shit up. Okay. La 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 la. So now I'm gonna do this to save some space. Da da la 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 la. Sorry. Okay. Well, look at that. And having a battery per project will allow us to increase them and have a way to increase them. Okay. I'm gonna drop this though. I don't need Durahel to be this big. I could probably take the same color. Where's the thing? UI map, world space, interface, hell, backgrounds. Is that only L? I think it's hell. So do it! My BF is still playing in the background. Do what? Do what? Sorry, I lost context. Do you still have an APK I sent you to test Android? Probably not, my friend. I wasn't home today. I was to the stripper as all Tuesday morning. No, I went to isolate myself actually and put myself in a cafe so I can work better on the ships and beats. That little trick so I can is that regular? Ah, that's black, okay. I want bold. Okay. Okay, so I got battery here. Gonna remove that. Discard. Okay, view. Where's the view? Arcane craft button battery. Boom. Now I'm gonna remove that from there. Voila. And it's actually in the crane slot. So I think you have something saying like hide buttons or something like that. Yeah. I don't like this, Shane. I do not like this. I do not like this, Shane. That's ugly. And I'm pretty sure you know it already, though. Okay, so arcane battery. Item. What the hell goes in item? Ah, okay. I hate that as well. It's not beautiful. It's not good. It is not. But, that will need to be, fixed. Meta battery. I'm about to vomit. When it's null, what doesn't happen? It saves nothing. Okay, maybe I can put it here. I want to try it. Public var meta battery. No, it's not gonna work. Fuck it. Okay, I'll make it like this. No. Okay, so that's that. I probably have a get recipe at or something like that. Get project with index, is that it? Yeah, okay. Get battery at index. If this just fucking return null, I don't care. I don't care. Battery. Meta battery like this. La 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 la. La 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 la. So they will be independent. Yeah. Okay. That's not a very beautiful code. But I'm part of it, so I'm part of the problem. Get battery index at B slot index. I'm even gonna say like public for meta battery with 2T, thank you. Meta battery, come on, battery like this, and then I want to say boop, nope. Instance meta arcane, all that shitty thing. Meta arcane progress. So get battery at index B slot index like this, and this will go there. Funky. Now try to create boost. La 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 la. Try to create. Start and add recipe. Ah, voilà, okay. Don't I use the selected? Okay, there we go. Okay. That's get battery at index selected slot index. Skip time. Why? If meta recipe. I think that's it. Okay, and then finally here. Skip time in MS. Ah, nice. And beta battery add time. I'm gonna say minus skip time. Okay, but if time is equal to 0... Will it work if I do that? Okay. Now what I need to do is meta battery, set charging time at. But if I do that, okay, I'm gonna try this, but I think I'm gonna break some shit. Bop, bop, bop. Cause now I can skip like this. What I want to say is, yeah, and when I skip it, I will be able to just do that. I think. Okay, for now I'm just gonna do something like this. Not sure if this will work. Probably not, but I'm gonna debug that because it needs to be a really weird thing. So, okay. Let's see. Debug. Voila. Actually, I don't even need that. Okay, and finally, debug shortcut. Well, it adds 4 hours, so that's good. Okay. Alright, let me check it out. Thinking intensifies. There we go. I only have 30 minutes left to finish the battery. Oh my god, will I be the alpha male coder I claim to be? That's what we're gonna know in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Dragon, Rock the Dragon, Dragon Ball Z. Yeah! Oh fuck. Oopsie. Doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Okay, there we go. Now I have to repush all that stuff. It's in there. It was inside you all along. It's in here. It was here all along. I don't want to close my eyes. I don't want to fall asleep because I miss you, baby. Or some other inspirational music like this. Is Latch a fan of DBZ? Yep. Although I read all the books, but I haven't got the patience to go through all the animated episode. And I didn't watch the Super one. But Mark is, though. Sing that to your lovely wife. Yay, look at those Duracells. Hello? Oops. Look at all those Duracells. Okay, so if I go like this, and go like this. Start. Yay, it's done! Collect. Okay, so it's done already. So that's something. The battery kind of works-ish. I don't know why it's... Oh yeah, okay, I know why. So when you're gonna unlock it, it's gonna be like... Okay, so I'm gonna put debug time. Debug. No, set debug. Alright, no, let's set. Let's see debug time. Alright. Okay, so there's that. Now I just want to go back to the view arcane thingy, meta game progress, meta arcane progress, batteries, all that shitty thing over there. Blah blah blah, battery, decode, encode, and blah blah blah. Start. start and add recipe, that thing over there. Okay, so I want to see what's happening in there. That will be the weird things that I'm probably gonna need all my my brain. Hang on. Okay. Try to use battery. And here I'm gonna say like p index and meta recipe. No. Stop. In the name of love, stop. Okay, so add in empty slot. Okay, so I'm gonna do that here as well. Try to use battery, so it'll be meta recipe over here, and the index will be index. Okay. Did the monster buy what we are using to reset every time portal? Yeah, I could have sworn to save the previous show. I found the inconvenience and you're not there anymore. Yeah, it bugs me as well, actually. It bugs me as well. It bugs me as well. We should check it out. Yay, look at all those files. Okay, so if I go F11, yay, I got all this. Okay, and if I go like this, for example, pluk, 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 it's gonna say like crafting time 1 hour, putuj, craft. So now, charging time, skip time is weird. Okay, so that's the number. Okay, so I can. Okay, so I can skip all that stuff, but I don't need all that much. Okay, so it seems that it's broken. Okay. Already broken. Hang on. var time left for a recipe. Yeah, I'll put it on the other side actually. La la la. Tiem. Okay. Let me do it again. Voila. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Go! Okay, so add time, skip time is equal to that thing because the recipe is equal to all that shit. Okay, good. So the skip time is equal to what I do have. Okay, so now I'm saying skip time is equal to this, so I'm pushing away the time started, so it's actually gonna work. Good. Now here, skip time in MS, I'm saying remove that time, so that's gonna work as well. It goes further in time. Good. Now I'm saying add time this, because I don't want it to start charging right now. I want it to start charging after the duration left, so it's gonna push the thing further in time, which I should use this one instead. And that's why I had this. So it remove it. That works. Now, if I skip it, it should not be increasing. It should be stuck at 0. No, it's not. So the last... Yeah, it pushed another time. Okay, so I should put this then. Yeah, I think that's it. That's the only place I do it? Okay. Try to skip with diamond. Okay. Now here I'm gonna have to do something with the battery shit. Ah, come on. Unskip, yes. Progress here. Get cost to skip progress. Track event. Force complete. All that shit. So now I'm gonna say like index here. Okay, index here is equal to get project index, or get index of project, or something like that. It's the other way around. Get index of project. I want to do that. And I'm just gonna do something very stupid. This M for Meta Arcane recipe. And I'll do this index of M. Voila. Project. Now I'm gonna say var meta battery is equal to meta battery is equal to get battery at index. Now force complete, actually need to do var time left is equal to project get duration left, and now I'm just gonna say add time. Well, add time, I hate add time because I don't know what add time is, so I'm gonna say add charging time. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I think I have it like this. Here I'm removing it, and I'm removing this. Okay. It's super freaking weird, but I think it's working. Is the 6-hour craft skip going to be added to the battery or to the crafting? Good question. I don't know. I will have to check out into the code. Okay, 5 minutes, all that shit, blah blah blah. Look, okay, and look and look and look. Craft. So I got all the battery removed on this. Good. Skip, and it should be back at 0. Fuck. Okay. It is back at 0, but it's not counting up. Ba wa wa ba ba da ba 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 bo bo bo. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, I'm just gonna add this. What do you think of the button where it's saying energize? A Star Trek reference, energizer battery reference. Nice! For the button for the battery. Well, there's no button on the battery though. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Skip! So I'm going back in time with this. But I don't see la 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 la. Where's my battery? Okay, 6, 6, 0. Battery life is that number. Duration left. Is it bigger? Okay, so it is bigger. Okay. So there's something wrong. Obviously, there's something wrong. Okay, I think I know why. Shit. I think... Oh! Something very stupid I can do. I know. I know. I think it's gonna work, guys. I think I have the perfect solution for love. So metal battery by index by time left. I probably don't need you as well, so I'm just gonna remove this. Is that it? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do this. And if I go into meta, do I have like a get, a collect? Do I have collect? No? Okay. Well, here actually, collect? No. View arcane slots. Okay, crafting, skip button, chest, forge, blah blah blah. I need collect. Where's the collect thing? Okay, so on quick collect. On click collect, I do collect. And collect is the same place as quick collect. And in collect, I have collect. I do collect. Collect. Okay, so report recipe crafted. Ba-da-ba-ba. Okay. Remove recipe. La 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 la. And here I'm gonna say reset battery 4. And I can put my slots index in there. Let's try it out. Are you setting battery to 0? Because you probably don't want to do that. Why? Why? Why, Kojak? Because the battery will hold more time than some crafts have. Oh, yeah, Hang on. I need to do a little something in order for that to work. You do are correct, sir. You do are correct. I need to set it to 0 if it's not full. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try this. And I think this will work. Forge this. Blook, blook, blook. Yay. And now I'm gonna craft it and I'm gonna say yay. Good, collect 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that works. Now the thing I want to try is this is 1 hour, so I'm gonna try it with another one. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's only when I skip it, but if I skip it, that means that the battery is empty anyway. Yeah. Okay. Boop. No, not working. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to save it somehow. I wanted to avoid that. I wanted to avoid to save the shit. Ba 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 ba. Can I avoid to start it? Da 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 da. Okay, while I think I'm just gonna pop a giveaway. Just right where I think. Knife Nut! Knife Nut is a winner! Congratulations, my friend! Knife Nut! Okay, so I don't need to do that twice. Oh, okay, here actually, that's what I want to do. Get duration left. Yeah. So I skip the time and then I ask how many time is there left. So that might do it. Although, yeah, that might be it. That might be it. So I add this, and I go collect. Yay! Okay. And I go like this, and I go collect. Yay! And I go like this, and I go collect. Da, 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 da. Who's the alpha male coder? That's me. That is me. Hint. That's me. Shard. Boom. Collect. Oh? Well, I may have spoken a little bit too fast. Is it? Oh, that's 3 hours. No, that's 8 hours. Did I click this one or this one? This one? Hang on, I didn't check. Because if it's this one, it was okay. Okay, I think it was okay. Whew! Okay. Because one of them it takes 4 hours, the other not. Okay, so if I go like this, for example, not this one. I'm gonna take this one. There's 5 hours. So this one is 16. Oh, because the first one is 4 hours. Okay. Whew! Okay, that's why. The first one was 4 hours indeed. Okay, so it works. It works pretty well. So the battery is right over there. It is currently 3 days. No, it's perfect. Congrats. Push it. Well, Mr. Alpha Coder, will the battery be released in the next update? Then no, because we need to give it as a gift somewhere in the game. Actually, we need to give it as a reward in a challenge, and there's the way to make not the update, but the levels. Like how do we upgrade the battery? And the first thing I would do is not make battery for each individual project, you know? Like you get 1 battery, up to 5 battery in the entire game, but you get only 1 at a time. And then you can like increase them, and then we can have scrolls that fill the charging time, for example, stuff like that. Maybe it's not scrolls that fill the charging time, but anyway. That, and the last thing I wanted to check is okay, fast time travel, no, skip currency, double, or there we go. Skip production by boost value. Okay. So that I don't care actually, because it's just gonna, and when I'm gonna collect it, it's gonna reset it to 0. Yeah, so that is correct. So if you get an arcane craft boost, when you're gonna collect, the battery will jump up. What do you think about making it a building next to the arcane? I don't know. I think it's not something I can answer in like 3 minutes, because there's only 3 minutes left in my stream, and I actually fucking finished the battery in 2 hours. I'm really happy. And it looks okay. It looks okay with the old battery and the old. Well, I'm gonna ask Etienne to work on this and the old design. But hey, it's there. It's there. I wonder. Yeah, we have to not show the battery while it's crafting, because it's gonna show some weird stuff. Yeah. I'm not sure anymore. Anyway. Okay, Latch, on the multi-territory farming, you have 3 minutes. Go! I can do it. I can do it. Okay, guys, I think, oh, thank you very much, We All Play Cast, man, for the host. I was about to go, actually. We All Play Cast is hosting us. What's up, man? What's up? So I think I'm just gonna push that and call it a day. Call it a day. I'm gonna talk with Kojak, actually, on how what I did, explain all that shit, because it's doing some weird math in the background. Because I only do one thing, and it's I only save one thing, and it's that the time started here. The reason I did that is because it's gonna be saved on the server, and we know that this is secured, so voila. But I did something weird where I do the crafted thing, the try to use battery. That shit over there, that's pretty weird. That shit over there is pretty weird. But, yeah, okay, yeah. So I skipped the time. Okay, yeah, that's why, okay. La 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 la. Wah, 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 ba, 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 ba. So I don't need that, actually. Do I? Okay, yes I do. Okay, the reason I do this here is that because if there's no time left, it's just gonna be -0. But if there's like 55 minutes left in the charging time, so there's like 5 minutes in my my battery, I use something to craft, and there's 55 minutes left. If I only do this line of code, the battery will start charging right now. So the recipe will be crafting, and in the background the battery will be charging as well. So what I do is I also remove the duration of the actual recipe. So if there's 55 minutes left, I tell the battery start charging in 55 minutes, you know, not right now. So that's why I did that stuff over there. And if you collect it and the battery has like a minus charging thing, well, I'm resetting it back to 0. That's why I did that little thing over there. So that's the reason over there. So now I only have one integer saved, and I know that everything is secured. I know that, because the last thing I wanted to do is make it pause and then unpause, and then, because that will be a nightmare, because when you are playing, we'll have to add seconds every seconds in the battery. When you're out, when you're pausing and unpausing, we'll have to add seconds in the battery if there's no charge crafting, blah blah blah. So that will be kind of a nightmare. So this one is a bit of a stretch, it's a bit of a weird way to implement it, but we know that it's binded to the server time, it's binded to actual time, and there's no weird stuff that can happen like, oh, I forgot to put the battery on again, or stuff like that. So only one integer and the entire thing is done. Will that work if the game is idle and craft is sitting there waiting to be collected? As soon as you press collect, actually even better than that. Even better than that. Okay, I'm gonna try, okay? We're gonna do something. Meta Arcane Boost. Yeah, let's try one last user case. Set debug time. I'm gonna put it at 59 minutes. Hang on. Okay. I'm gonna try this. Well, because if you are away and you didn't collect it, and you have waited like 3 days, it's not gonna wait and reset the thing to 0, because the battery will have started to charge in the background. So that's the last user case we need to check out. So there's like 1 hour something. Okay, but if I do that now... Okay, I actually know what I need to do. I need to do... this. Down, 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 down. So I'm gonna forge this book, craft, and I'm gonna wait. While we're waiting, so what I'm gonna do is collect it, and when I'm gonna collect it, it should be the same amount of seconds, ish, over there. Oh, but if I craft boost here... No, it says crafting boost, so fuck it. You know, if I use the craft boost right now, and then collect right now, it's gonna be at 0, because the battery is set, like, this, the boost there only affect the arcane boost. It does not affect the batteries. And I can feel that people will be pissed about that. Because the arcane boost only affects that. So if I click this over there, it's not gonna add charging time to my battery. Should it? Probably. I could just check the difference and add it to the battery though. I could do that. I could do that. Yeah, I think it's the best actually. So if I have no project, it's gonna fill the battery. I like how black and white you guys are. Arcane boost has to be added to the battery, otherwise it has no point. Like, whoa, 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 whoa. It also skips the recipe. It has no point. Well, there's no battery right now, and there's an arcane boost, so is it still no point? Okay, I'm gonna wait a bit. I wanna make a, there we go. I'm gonna make a giveaway while we're waiting for that. Larkland, I agree as well. I agree. 1 second should not be 1 second. Yeah, 1 second should not be exactly 1 second. I'm gonna try to do that right now, actually. SVNRS! There we go. Yeah, Fisku, I hear ya. It's 5 hours wasted, but it's already 5 hours wasted right now. So what I find funny is that I am implementing a new feature, and then you're pointing a use case that right now doesn't work the same way, and say like, hey, it's a bug! Well, it's not a bug. It's just something not implemented. Okay. Whoa! I'm the best around! Motherfucking yeah, motherfucker. Okay, so there's that. Now, what did I needed to do? I needed to do the skip time, so the skip time was like that. Okay, so that was because if I wanted to skip time, that was like minus 55 shitty thing. All right, but now if I just add battery in there as well, so let me do that. Arc in progress. Skip time, prediction boost by value. Is that it? B will be meta battery. Batteries. So if Yeah, I hate that. So it says continued here. Okay, we'll do this. So yeah, value. So if it's 6 hour minus 4 hour, this will be a positive thing. If this is above 0, add the charging plan. Oops. Yep, sounds like it. Okay. I should have tried something that takes a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna skip it. Yeah, collect, so it goes like this. It's always gonna... yeah, it's gonna have to make a second thing, because I removed like a couple of seconds because it was too fast. Okay, so if I go this, skip 7 hour, how come that's possible? Error stuff. That didn't work. That didn't work as well. Okay. Blah 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 blah. It's only 4. Ah, stupid, stupid lich. Hello, Ramon, Lash friends. Hey, that's the way. What's up? Wah 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 ba 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 da ba da wah ba 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 da ba da. Ba da 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 Bud, 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 bud. Bud, 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 bud. Bud, 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 bud. Bud, 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 bud. Yay! Yay! Did it work? That's like 5 hours something. I skipped 7 hour. It looks like I skipped 6 hour, not 7. This worked though. I don't know if it says because it said 7 hours. What happened to the 3 minutes left of the stream? LOL. Well, I still wanted to assert my dominance as a coder, as an alpha coder. And I thought I was done, but I just wanted to add even more feature for you guys. Cause I'm a good guy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. Okay, there you go. Collect. Voila. Voila. Plus, plus, plus. Da 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 da. That says 7 times, 7 hour. Does it, is it 7 that pass over there now? Seven, okay. La 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 la. So the charging time is that. That's super complicated to work with. It might be because I need to... Yeah, I think that's why. If it's crafting in a way, it's not reset to 0, so I need to reset to 0 over there. Again, because the battery was off by an hour. Yep, that's why. Da 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 do. Wa da da do. Da 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 do. Little 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 dill. Ba da 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 do. Ba da 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 do. Ba da 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 do. Skip. Yay, collect. And now I'm doing this. Boom. So there's 1 hour left, and if I boost it, I should have 1 hour plus 6 hours. 6 hours! Alright, cool. Yeah. What if I build something that takes a little bit more time? How about that? 1 hour. What takes 4 hours to craft? Oh, I'm gonna make a shard. There. Yay, collect! I'm gonna make another shard. Da, da, da. Oh, I know actually. Shard. Another shard. Okay, so now I have 6 hours over there. Ah! 6. Okay, 4 hours. And then I skip 7. So I should have 3 hours in the battery afterwards. Yay! Okay, so one last thing is the efficiency. I'm gonna say I got the percentage battery max life. Here I'm gonna say get battery efficiency. So just for the lulz, I'm gonna put -1 like this. So can I just do get like can I just do this? Whoops, actually nope. If result is lower than 0, yeah, well, it's gonna be 0 anyway. Okay, so skip time. I skipped this time. But I should not skip this time though. Yeah, that will be kind of weird. That's gonna be a headache. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Shit. Really not sure about that. It's okay. Really not sure about that. Actually, instead of making 1%, because that will be hard to calculate, let's just make 50%. Yeah, by the way, the battery won't come up with the next update. Like this week update, not gonna happen. We still have a shit ton of stuff to test before sending up, before pushing that live. If we send that up now, it's gonna break a shit ton of stuff. So we're gonna wait. And again, we still have to know how to reward it to the player. Ah, there we go. Yay! Okay, so a second is half a second now. So if I go like this, like this, like this, you should have like 31 minutes left. Yay! Good. If I skip it. What? What? Okay, that didn't work. Okay. Yeah, that's the real time. So in life it goes like this. That's good. Now add the charging time. I'm adding this. This is bad. What was it before? Is it minus? Oh, it was minus. Stupid latches. Stupid once again. Minus. Does the battery add time while the game is closed right now? Yes, Kojak, because it's all server time. So that thing here will be very cool, guys. We have 3 different rewards we can give you. First, the number of battery. We're gonna have like only one of them having a battery, you know. Second, the efficiency of each battery. What's the ratio between like a real second and a second in there? And third, the maximum of charge per battery. So we're gonna say like per battery. So the maximum of efficiency of one battery, a second battery. So there's like 40 different reward in there, you know, instead of just like, okay, here's 5 battery, you know, that's way too much, but we still can sprinkle them here and there, give you guys some goals to achieve for. I know I will like do a shit ton of things to try to get my hands on those batteries. Inimaginable things that I will regret. Okay, so there you go. So if I skip that, it goes back to 0. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. All right, so that's all working. Perfect. Now if I go like this. Okay, so there's 1 hour left. Here's probably not gonna work. It should be 3, right? Because I'm removing 1 hour. The remaining is 6 hour, and 6 hour actually means 3 hours of battery. So it should be 3, but I don't think it's gonna be 3. Hey! It's fucking 3! Ha! The percentage is not correct though. Probably just gonna need this. Yeah, I think that will do it. Yeah, the XCASD. $1 fix 1 bug, 10 more pops up. Yeah. How can we level up batteries? That's one of the questions we need to answer actually. That's why we cannot push that update for the battery for this update, because we need to push the item somewhere. Like, should we push it into items? Into I don't know. Where do we reward it? How many? So there's a lot of a question to be answered, but at least we have the mechanics behind that works. So again, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so that's 30 minutes. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna skip it. Yeah, it goes back to 0. Goes like this. Blook. Voila. So there's like 1 hour. If I do that and this, yay, it should be 3 hours now. That's me trying to do the Ghetto Street thing. Okay, guys, we have efficiency, we have battery life, so if I put 1 instead, should all be good. Let's try it out. Yeah, Kojak, I'm totally gonna hit you up. Like, give me about 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Hang on. Okay. Go to Arcane. So that's 5 minutes. Okay, skip it. Boom. Voila. Forge this. And then there's 1 hour, so it's gonna skip 1 hour, and then it's gonna convert 6 hour. 6 hour divided. Let me try to do the count first. So 6 hours is this amount of minutes, so that will be 36 minutes. Is that it? Yeah! Okay. La la la. One last thing. Get efficiency. La 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 la. Ah. Oops. Meta battery get efficiency SDR. And here battery efficiency. Efficiency. That, how do I fucking write down efficiency? Is it like this? Yeah, alright, cool. So this will be equal to flash util my replace of this to find will be this to be replaced with will be percentage string will be a string like this. La 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 la. Voila. Okay, so I'm gonna do that like this. Yeah, I know, Lartland. That's why I'm putting the efficiency right there. I just put it so Lartland is saying we will need to put somewhere that's not 1 second per 1 second. Otherwise, a lot of people will say, hey, my timer is broken. And I do agree. That's actually why I'm doing exactly this. It's not clear, but at least I have this over there. So, like, yeah, I could say, like, ratio 10% or, like, 10 second, like, 10 second equal 1, something like that, you know? So I could have something like this. But at least, right now I'm going to put 10% efficiency, because at least we have that. But that is not clear at all. You know, people will get, will be mad. Or what I could do is a double timer. Like, there's a timer that counts down to seconds. Like 10, 9, up to 0, and then boop, it adds a little tick into the battery, you know. But that's a lot of timers, so I'm not sure about that. But maybe like every 10 seconds or something like that. Every 2.5 seconds. Or pulse charge bits, you know, something like that. But the point is that information will be put right over there. Because efficiency 10% kind of implies that the maximum level will be 100%, and that we don't want that, you know. We might want it to be maximum level of 50%, for example, or 200%, whatever. But if we put a percentage there, it kind of implies that's gonna have the 100 maximum. And guys, this is time to say goodbye. I'm gonna do like one last giveaway before going out. I think it's clear. I actually coded the entire fucking battery system, including UIs, in 2.5 hours. I think it's clear who the fuck is the boss here. Who's the boss? Okay, one last giveaway before I go, guys. Whew, my ears hurt. My ears hurt. While I'm doing that, let me check that over there. Okay, 72 at 75, I'm gonna start it up. 73, 74, only one more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! I'm very happy about today's stream, actually. I should do that often. I should do that more often. Like, open the stream, set myself a ridiculous goal, and just go right at it. Armstrong? Armstrong is our winner, my friend. Armstrong, congratulations, my friend. Guys, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's episode, for being my moral support, and for believing in me. Thanks to you guys who gave me the moral support, so I can finish new features on Zombido, and again, assert my dominance as the male alpha coder around here. Okay, so I'm gonna host somebody. I don't know who yet. I'm gonna host. Shut up! I'm gonna host somebody. I don't know who. But stick around if you want to punch somebody else random in the face. Guys, thank you so much. Tomorrow, I believe that Shane will be coding. Maybe, maybe not. We are running into some issue with Android, actually, since a while. Basically, what I think is happening is Android 7 is making us some troubles. So, with the ads, the ad network we're working on. So, we already are working into two solutions. One of them being changing the ad network, and the other one being installing a fix that they actually gave us. The FGL guys gave us a fix, so we are working on that. So that's top priority right now. It delays a lot of other stuff in the meantime, but that's what we're working on. So my point is, maybe Kojak not gonna stream tomorrow, since we are working on that on full priority, and he needs his full brain to do that. So in any case, you know, just pop that, just click that little notification in Zombido, and you know when we're gonna be live. We are always screaming about it on all the roof. So guys, thank you very much. You guys are the best. I love you all, especially you. Goodbye.